Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you modeling of simple 2D floor plan part 2 by using AutoCAD software. So I was already explained part 1 in my previous video. I will provide you that video link in below description, above card link and end screen of this respected video. So in this video, I will explain you part 2 for this respected tutorial. So this is my house plan in north facing direction, which is of double bedroom hall kitchen portion. So after modeling process is completed, we need to give the dimensions for the respected hall, dining, storeroom, puja room, kitchen, utility, toilet, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. So for that, go to select this respected linear distance option. So select the end point. So again we have to select the end point here. So it will be consisting of 13 feet in x direction distance. Again we have to measure the vertical distance in the same way. Just I am measuring this respected distance. So this is my vertical distance. So select bedroom 1. Just I click on enter option. So just we need to type 13 feet 0 inches cross and 15 feet 7 inches vertical distance. So adjust this respected distance to center line. So this is the dimensions of the bedroom. Select this 13. Again select this option. Click on delete option. Again we have to give the dimensions for the bedroom 2. So select this respected linear dimensions option. Select this option. Again I am selecting this second point. So it will be consisting of 13 feet in length direction. Again we have to measure the vertical distance in the same way. This time selecting it as vertical distance here. So it will be consisting of 11 feet 7 inches in vertical direction distance. So now we need to select the bedroom 2. Again click on enter option. So click on 13 feet 0 inches cross. So 11 feet 7 inches. So this is the vertical distance and horizontal distance. So now we need to select the vertical distance here. Again we have to select the horizontal distance. Click on delete option. Now we need to measure this respected distance. So for that again select distance option here. Select the first point. Select the second point. Again I am selecting vertical direction distance here. So here I am selecting second point. So it will be consisting of 6 feet in length direction. Again 4 feet in vertical direction distance. So here we need to give the dimensions as 6 feet cross 4 feet. So again select this 6 feet and 4 feet distance. Click on delete option here. So now we need to measure the distance of utility here. Select the distance option. Select the first point here. Again select the second point. Again we have to measure the vertical distance in the same way. Select the first point here. Select the second point. Now select the utility option here. Click on enter option. Now I am measuring 13 feet 9 inches in horizontal direction distance. Again 9 feet 3 inches in vertical direction distance here. So after that select this respected 13 feet and 9 feet option. Delete option. Now we need to measure the dimensions of the kitchen. Select the linear dimensions option. Select the first point here. Again select the second point here. Again I am selecting vertical direction in the same way. So here I am selecting this respected option. So here we need to select the kitchen. It will be consisting of 13 feet 0 inches cross 8 feet 1 inch in vertical direction distance. So select 8 feet. Again select the 13 feet. Delete option. Now we need to measure the storeroom dimensions and puja room dimensions here. Select this respected linear dimension. Select the horizontal direction distance. So it will be consisting of 5 feet in horizontal. Again I am selecting vertical. It will be 4 feet here. Again we have to measure the puja dimensions in the same way. So this is the 3 feet 8 inches. Now select storeroom. So select enter option. 5 feet 0 inches cross 4 feet 0 inches is the distance. So again we have to measure this respected puja room. So it will be consisting of 5 feet 0 inches cross 3 feet 8 inches vertical distance. So again we need to select this respected option. Now we need to select this option. Again select this option. Click on delete option. Now we need to select this respected dimensions of dining hall. Select linear dimensions here. Select the first point here. Select the second point here. Again I am selecting the vertical direction distance here. So it will be consisting of 8 feet 1 inch. Select the dining in the same way. So here we need to give the dimensions as 6 feet 6 inches cross 8 feet 1 inch vertical direction. So select the 6 feet 6 inches and 8 feet 1 inch. So click on delete option. Now we need to measure the dimensions of the hall. So here we need to select the hall dimensions. So just I'm selecting this respected hall. So again I'm selecting this point. So it will be consisting of 17 feet 8 inches horizontal. Again I'm selecting vertical direction here. So here I'm selecting this respected option. So it will be consisting of 17 feet 8 inches in horizontal direction distance. Again 11 feet 3 inches in vertical direction distance. So we need to take the hall into center point here. So select this respect option. Again I'm selecting this respect option. Click on delete option. So after dimensions process completed, we need to model the doors and windows for this respected plan. So initially we need to measure the distance for the horizontal direction as well as vertical direction for this respected plan. So for that select this respected linear again. Again I am selecting this dining hall dimensions. So here I am selecting first point here. Again I am selecting second point. So after that we need to measure the dining dimensions. So after that we need to measure the center to center distance of hall in vertical direction. So here I'm selecting horizontal direction in the same way. So after that we need to measure the bedroom 2 dimensions. Again I'm selecting bedroom 1 dimensions. So after that we need to measure the vertical distance for this respected bedroom 1. So after that we need to measure the kitchen dimensions here. So after this initially I will model the windows for this respected plan. So for that initially we need to create a layer. Just I'm creating the layer here. Select the layer option. Right click on it, click on new layer option. So here we need to give the layer name. Just I'm assuming it as Windows. So click on enter option. Again select the layer color. So here I'm selecting layer color as pink color. Click on OK. After that click on cancel this respected option. Now we need to draw the windows for this respected house. So for this respected plan, just I'm assuming total number of windows are 6. For hall section I will do 2 windows, and for bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, kitchen 1 as well as dining 1. So initially I will draw the windows for the hall. So for that initially we need to make the offset here. Offset command O enter. So initially I will take the specified distance as 6 feet 6 inches here. So just we need to draw the offset which is at a distance of 6 feet. So after that we need to draw one more offset which is of 5 feet 0 inches. Click on enter option. So here I am drawing 5 feet offset for the window width. So after that we need to draw the lines here with the help of this respected window layer. So L enter option, select this respected point. Again we have to select the second point here. Just I am selecting F8 option. Just I am selecting this respected option. Again trim this respected portion, extra portion. Now we need to draw the offset which is at a distance of 5 feet here. Just I am specifying this respected option with the 5 feet 0 inches distance. So it will draw the line here like this. So after that select this two lines options, click on delete option. Now we need to draw two more lines. Just I am taking line command L enter. So here I am selecting some point here. Again I am selecting second point. Again select L option. Now I am drawing one more line here for the window section. So after this we need to trim extra portion. TR double enter. Select this point, again select this point, again I'm selecting this point, again I'm selecting this point. In the similar way we need to draw the windows for the remaining section also. So here I'm drawing remaining section window. So here I'm specifying first point, second point. Again select offset command, O enter, 5 feet 0 inches enter. Select this point. So here we need to draw the offset here. Now we need to trim extra portion, TR double enter here. Select the point, again select this point, again select this point, again select this point. Now I am deleting this respected distance. Now we need to draw the vertical lines here. L enter. So here we need to specify the starting point. Select the second point, again select L enter option. Now we need to select the vertical point here, first point, again select second point. Now we need to trim extra portions in the same way. In a similar way, we need to add the windows for this respected bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and kitchen, dining hall. So here I was added windows for this respected building like this. So after drawing the windows, we need to delete this respected center to center distance. So here I'm selecting this respected distance. So here I'm selecting this distance 46 feet, again 26 feet. So here we need to draw the doors for this respected house after windows process completed. So for that, initially we need to create the blocks of the doors as well as windows. So I was already created the blocks for that respected doors. So for initially I will show you this respected blocks for the doors. Click on blocks here. So initially I will select the doors here. So I will select the door plans for the blocks. So it will be consisting of n number of blocks like this. So it will be consisting of some blocks like this for this respected door sections. So from these sections, just I am selecting this respected block. So select this block here. So click on copy option. So initially I will paste this respected plan block to original plan here. So click on Control V option. So it will copy the block to this respected AutoCAD software like this. So initially we need to select any one of the base point. So after that we need to change the dimensions of this respected door. So select this door, right click on it, click on properties option. So here we need to select the dimensions of the scale in X direction. So here I'm selecting 10 option, again I'm selecting 10 option. So it will make the door section like this. So here we need to add this respected door to this respected distance. So for that initially we need to create offset which is at a distance of 6 inches from the wall. So here I'm selecting 6 inches offset from the wall here. So after that we need to rotate this respected model, RO enter option, select this door section. So click on rotate option with 180 degrees, click on OK. So after that we need to copy this respected block, CO enter door option, select this end point or base point. So here I am selecting this respected plan. So here we need to drag to the respected value here. So here I am drawing my door section here like this. So after that select this line, click on delete option. Now we need to delete extra portion of line here. TR double enter. Just I am selecting this trim option for these two lines. So it will draw the door like this for this respected plan. So after that we need to create one single door panel for this respected building. So for that again go to this doors panel. So here I am selecting this respected block, click on Ctrl C option, copy. So here we need to paste the block, Ctrl V option, select the base point here. Now we need to change the dimensions, select this door option. So here I am assuming 10 in X direction scale and 10 in Y direction scale. Now we need to create some more doors. So just I am copying this respected option, CO enter, select the copies for these respected doors initially. So after that we need to draw the doors for these respected sections like this. So initially I will draw the line command for the kitchen portion here. Select F8 option. Again we have to move this door to this respected kitchen. So select copy option, CO enter, select this respected option. So here we need to select this respected option. We need to insert the door at this respected distance here. So it will draw the door like this for this respected section. Select the line command initially. So click on delete option, trim this respected baseline here. So it will draw the door like this. So in the similar way we need to draw the doors for the remaining section here. So here I was drawn with the doors. So we need to select this all doors here. Now click on delete option. So here we need to select these doors, click on delete option. So this is my final view of this respected floor plan. So it will be consisting of a double bedroom hall kitchen with doors and windows. So in my upcoming videos I will explain you how to add the blocks for this respected plan. Thank you.